Hello, welcome to the show. The integumentary system, our body's largest organ. But what does it do? What function does it have? Why is it there? Everything has a purpose. And that's what we do in our show. We discover the purpose in everything. Number 1. It protects the body's internal tissues and organisms from invasions by infectious organisms. So, essentially, it's our first barrier of defense. Here is a demonstration. Nothing got in. Beautiful. Number 2. It also protects the body from dehydration. That's why I'm here in the morning sun, I'm not losing any water, which is always a good thing. Number 3. It protects the body from abrupt temperature changes, which means that it maintains homeostasis, which means that it's not too hot and not too cold. Oh! Number 4. It also helps exert waste materials, which goes out through the sweat. And that's what I'm doing right now. I'm sweating because it's too hot and I'm wearing a hat. Number 5. It also acts as a receptor for heat, cold, pressure, pain, and touch. Number 6. It also generates vitamin D through exposure to ultraviolet light. So right now, I'm getting all the vitamin D. Vitamin D, vitamin D, vitamin D, vitamin D, vitamin D, vitamin D. Thank you for watching our show. It's been a pleasure, really. I hope that you learned so much about the integumentary system. This has been me, and this has been our show. Subscribe for more. Actually, don't subscribe. I'm not gonna make any of these videos ever again. Have fun.